Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. It is Eternal Flowers. It's like a Lego for ages 6 and up, 426 pieces. That's what it looks like here. Here it is. There's apparently a Apple Store, Google Play app for it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Open it up. There's instructions. As you can see, it's kind of like Legos. Pieces. I'm not taking these apart yet. They're in bags for a reason, so I can keep it organized. And there it is. If you're interested in this, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.